Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I just wanted to do a quick video on what are some of the differences between the Samsung Z Flip and the Galaxy S20. So overall with this phone, it is very similar and you do get a lot of the features in terms of some of the camera qualities, some of the performance, but there are some subtle differences. So first thing is you do not get 8K recording with this. You also don't get a telephoto camera, you only get the wide angle and the regular focus in terms of camera. But overall with this, you do get some of the other features that are missing. So one is it does not have also a higher refresh rate. So in terms of the refresh rate here, it is just going to be the standard 60 Hertz refresh rate. You do not have the 120. And third thing is that these are 4G models as opposed to the S20, which in the US at least, it's only going to be 5G. So very curious to see how it goes with the Z20. If you guys are interested in it, in the Z Flip or the S20, let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Would you rather have a bendable device, or are you looking more for the 5G, the faster refresh rate, and the 8K recording? Let me know in the comment section down below, as long as with that telephoto. This has been R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.